Hi, this is Albina. Today we will make these loop earrings with beads. We will need round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, cutters, 22 gauge dead soft wire, eye pins, jump rings, large beads, and I'm using medicine bottle as a mandrel. So let's get started. Take an eye pin and insert it into your bead. Then we will bend the eye pin on top, and using round nose pliers we will make a loop. You can make just a simple loop, and I'm making a wrap loop, making a couple wraps around so it will be nice and tight and more secure, but that's option. You can make a simple loop as well. And now I'm wrapping the wire around the mandrel or the medicine bottle in my case, so I made 3 complete wraps, and then unraveled about 1 foot of wire and cut that end off. And now carefully remove that circle from the bottle. So with left hand I'm holding the wires, with right hand I'm wrapping that 1 foot of wire around that frame. So you notice I'm not inserting the wire like a needle with a thread. I'm pushing the wire with my finger just half-inch away from where it's coming from. This way the wire will be pliable, they will not harden too much. This is the best way to wrap it. So if your wire get distorted, like you see my wire by the end is not straight, that's okay, we'll fix it. So make sure you finish all the wrappings. Cut the wire end if you cut too much. And now we will put that ring on the bottle. So you must struggle a little bit, but I managed to put it back on the bottle because the bottom is narrower than the middle. And so now we have a nice circle like that. I put it on the bench block, and using cheesy hammer I will slightly hammer it. Don't go crazy, just slightly tap on one side and another side. This hardens the wire and make our loop more sturdy like that. So you will need to make a second one if you need to make a second earring, of course. So the loop is done. Now we'll make ear wires from the eye pin. So I'm using a 6-step wheel making pliers, placing eye pin in the middle of the widest part of the pliers, fold almost in two, and using chain nose pliers I bend the end a little bit like that. Now we will have to harden that ear wires as well, because that's not hard enough, not sturdy. Same thing, place on the bench block and hammer it on both sides. Don't go crazy, don't flatten it too much. Now see how hard it is? It's not bending. Now let's assemble it. Using 2 pairs of chain nose pliers, in my case I'm using bend nose and chain nose pliers, open the jump ring, slide the bead we made in the beginning, then put that ring on and close that jump ring. Now take the second jump ring, open this jump ring, slide the last jump ring we added, then an ear wire and close the jump ring. Repeat the same step to make the second matching earring. You can use any beads you like. There's example I used the crystals. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your comment, let me know what you think. Like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.